Ford Taurus 2013. What I'm doing is I'm replacing the seal because it was leaking right there. So what I did is I took out the tie rod, the ball joint underneath. I had to loosen up, take out the brakes right there, take out the complete assembly, take it off, so you have enough space so you can go ahead and take out the axle. When you take out the axle, you'll be able to see right here the seal. The seal, you just take both like that, boom, it's out. Somebody put some silicone around it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it and replace it, because you can see here it was leaking due to the seal. The seal was leaking, so it fell. So I got two parts right here from Ford. I believe it's this one. Put it like that. Yep. The other one, it's for another car, so it's not this one. It's this one. It's this one right, because when I put it together like that, it fit well. So we're gonna clean with some brake cleaner. And clean with a towel. Take out the silicone. We don't need the silicone. So now you can see everything is clean right now, pretty much the way we want it. So we can just install the new part. So I'm gonna do that and come back and show you guys how to do it. I did it right here and installed it now. All good, all clean. It's seated. You can see right here on the lips, all around. It's well connected. What I did is I put a bolt here, and I took a little hammer and I knocked it here until it goes, knocked it here, knocked it there, knocked it until it's straight. Don't worry, it's not touching the plastic around it, so with the lips, so we good. You just do it like that. You tap it until it's seated. And you see the job, you satisfy, you see it's well seated, so now you can go ahead and put back the axle. That's how you do it.